guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make this structure. It's like a scaffolding for boxes. We've got two floating boxes here and a bottom tray. Look at that, guys. Seen all the way around? In my last videos I started to dowel things, and I think I went a bit overboard with the dowels in this one, but this is what I came up with. It's a great looking box. So come on a journey and we'll make this box right now. Okay guys, just stripping the blackwood down now so I can put it through the planer so I can get it down to 25mm square. And the celery top pine too. And putting it through the planer now. A low angle view of that. There it goes again. I've got all the rails planed to 25mm square in the celery top pine and the blackwood. I've cut them into a design that I like for the front and back, and then we can dowel them together, and then after we've got the front and back done, then we can do the cross beams. Yay! Docking all the rails now to their required length. They're all different, so it's a bit tricky. I've got the front and back frames all set out. Everything's going to be doweled together now. I've got to put in the rebate for the drawer slides. They call them drawers, but they're really boxes, for the boxes slides in each one before I put them together. So there's a bit of working out to do now. And as you see, I've done them in like a random pattern. I didn't just use all celery top pine in one half and blackwood in the other half. I'm trying to mix it up a bit. So, and this is the pattern I've come up with. I'll mark it all out, I'll figure it all out, and then I'll do the dados first, and then the doweling. Yay! Okay, just doing the dados now. My small dado saw. I keep the dado head permanently set up in that saw. There it goes. And drilling the rails now. Put a single dowel on each one, a bit of glue. On my $20 drill press that I made. You've got to be wits about you when you do these frames, but you can get confused very, very easily. So they're all done there, I think. You have to do a left and a right hand frame, but the one is going to tip over on the other one. And everything's got to line up. So I think I've got it all. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I've got it all. Anyway, I'm going to start putting it together and we'll see what happens. Yay! Yay. Putting the frame together now with the dowels. Just slotting in there a bit of glue. And there goes the top piece. A few cramps here or there. And the other frame now. I've taken the frames out of the cramps. They come out great. Nice and sturdy, I'll give you that. I've got the two frames here. And now I'll put them through the sander to clean them up both sides. And then we've got to put the fore and aft rails. There's 6 of them, 3 on each side. And that will make the square before we start the drawers. So we're getting there now, guys. Yay! Okay, going for the sander now. Sander works great. It's a twin head sander, and they're really flat. The flat ones are out good. You got the other frame. And again, just docking the 4.5 rails now. They're all the same length. And putting the dowel hole in each one. And putting them all together now. There it goes. Guys, I've got the frame all cramped up now. Going great, isn't it? Now the next trick is to cut the drawer runners. So there's 3 drawers, so there's 6 drawer runners. And I do them out of jarrets, but I want them to stand out. But I've done the frame in blackwood and celery top pine. I want another timber to make it stand out, so I want it to look more intricate. That's the word. Okay, cool. All right, yeah, so we'll do that next. We'll cut the drawer runners, and then then I can glue them in, and then I can measure for the drawers. Yay! Okay, just putting them through the thickness there again. My favourite machine, as I call it. Okay guys, I've got the framework all done. Everything's drying now. I've got all the drawer runners in. I've got the timber for the drawers. I'm going to make one out of sassafras blackheart, one out of Fijian mahogany, a nice orange coloured timber this one, great timber, I like it. And the other one probably out of Kari, really hard, but I like it. Okay guys, we'll take it all out of the cramps and we'll measure for the boxes. Look at me go. Never worked so fast in my life. Okay, just sawing the Fiji mahogany now. And putting it over the butter. Wait for it. Power went off. With a huge storm. Scared the shit out of me. Well, power back on now. And through the thick and through it goes. And planing all the drawer pieces down to the same thickness. I've got all the timber planed down now to about 15mm. I've got the sassafras blackheart, the Fijian mahogany, and the Kari. It's bloody Kari so hard. So they're the 3 species that we're going to make the boxes out of. I'm going to put a solid bottom in each of these boxes so it looks like an upside down box. And I'll put a sliding lid on each, but you see it through the lattice work of the frame. We'll cut all the mortars and we can put the boxes together. Yay! Just cutting the mortars now for the bottom. The long mortars. Look at that sassafras blackheart. Great looking timber, isn't it? Very unusual. Mortaring in them now so they can go together. Mortaring the ends. And using the multi-tape method and folding them up. And putting a cramp on them. I've got all the boxes cramped up. We'll take them out of the cramps now. This box would fit in there like that. I'll take it over to the dado head. I'll put the dado in so it runs in the runners. And then we can square the ends off. Make the sliding lid. And we're done. Yay! Okay, over the dado head it goes. And there's the other box. We're finished. What a weird looking box. What a weird looking box. I don't know how I come up with these ideas. I just start making something and it just evolves. So this one's got 2 boxes and a tray. The bottom one's the tray, but it was just too small to be a box. This is the middle box. It just opens up like that. So you can get all your rings and earrings. And the top box. Great. And you see how I got what they call negative spaces. 3 negative spaces. Because in art or anything, you don't fill everything up, you leave negative spaces. It's a bit technical. Training you guys to be artists, I think. No, I'm not. We're woodworkers, yay! Up woodworking, da da da. Now I'm finished, but there was a bit of a headbanger this one. with a little bit of a headbanger. And anyway, I'm done now. So yeah, they come up great. Okay, just spraying it up now. We're finished. What a great looking boxes. I don't know what you call it. It's got 2 sliding boxes and 1 sliding tray down below. That's with sliding lids on them to keep all your jewellery safe, and a tray down below. Very, very unusual, guys. It's seen all the way around. I'm going to say the word in a minute. It's a great word. We all know it. Starts with a P. It's called pop. These boxes just pop. Yeah, these boxes just pop. Okay guys, thanks for being with me this week. Come again next week where we will be making another box, and please subscribe. Yay!